I'm Candice Dicens. I'm a certified Imago therapist. I'm also a licensed clinical professional counselor. And I am the workshop facilitator for April 14th Mates Workshop. My workshop is entitled Race, Class, Gender, Intersectionality, and Imago. Whew, that is a mouthful. But if you think that's a lot, wait until you see what we have in store for you. You are going to love this workshop. Have you ever had couples who are from various ethnicities, cultures, genders, sexualities, backgrounds, and no matter how much you invite them to come into each other's worlds, there's something missing. And usually what's missing is that they're inviting their partner who they're in coupleship with to come into the world of their childhood or their day to day life. And what's missing is that we have not invited them often to come into the world where they can look at the person's reality from gender, from race, from sexuality, from ethnicity, from socioeconomic status, from class status, from oppression status, from what their position from queer status is at. Sometimes we don't realize that all those experiences, all those identities intersect and create a world that doesn't always feel safe for the person who's in coupleship with the other person, which is how they become reactive or they turtle, right? They go inside and they're so afraid to come outside based upon what happened to them within each of their identities, because every identity has an experience and it has a story, and those experiences and those stories come together and make his story. So, one of the things we're going to learn together is how to use the Imago experience, all the Imago techniques and approaches to help couples speak from the position of each identity and how they intersect based on history, based upon experiences, and based upon trauma and pain, and help the partner who can hear it, who can experience it, help them learn how to heal and communicate with each of those identities and look at how they are intersecting and look at what's happened to them historically and understand that pain and take the bold step to heal the pain in their partner based upon what each part of them, each of their identities have experienced. So this is going to be an interactive experience. We're not just going to be lecturing. We're going to be doing a lot of interactive stuff with breakout rooms and a lot of amazing activities that you are going to love. So this is what I need you to do. Go online at meet.com and register. I promise you it's going to change your practice. It's going to change the experience we have for clinicians, and it's going to change you. So hope to see you on April 14th, but tell your friends about it as well, because what we want to do is create an experience of healing and connection and go beyond what we learned in level one of training. We're going to take us beyond just healing to a greater understanding. See you then. Take care.